Hi there, welcome back again. I'm MJ. In this video, I'll show you how to create Wi-Fi hotspot in your laptop. By default, in Windows, it will difficult to create a hotspot. You need to go to command prompt and all this thing. But I will show you the easiest way to create a hotspot in laptop. Open any browser, open the Google, and in the Google just type virtual router like this and search. Open the first link. This is the official link of virtual router. So it's a very little tool, lightweight tool. So click on download. You need to download this simple tool. So after you download, you will get this setup file. Just double click on this file to make a setup and click next. Installation is very simple. Okay, it's done. Now close. After you close, you will get a new window. It will show your SSID and key like this. So here, virtual router, give any name like SSD. This is your Ethernet or Wi-Fi name. So I will give the testing. Okay, you can give any name, and this is the password. This is the password of your Wi-Fi hotspot. So give the password at least 8 character, and shared connection. You can check Wi-Fi. If you have Ethernet, then select the Ethernet, and now simply click on Start Virtual Router. That's it. Now you are good to go. Your hotspots are ready. In your phone or any device, just go to setting and go to Wi-Fi and simply search for this network like testing. I got the testing. Tap on this, enter the password. Okay, enter the same password which you have given on the router and connect. That's it. Now you can enjoy internet from your laptop. It's very simple. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.